Hear the wind carry the voices of the old ones. Their words heavy as the drum, sharp as the hawk's cry. They say the earth remembers, it remembers every hoof that thundered across its skin, every tear, every flame, every promise broken by steel and greed. We rode with the storm, painted in ash and blood. Our hearts beat like war drums, one nation, one breath, one fire. The ground shook beneath the fury of our ancestors. Every cry a prayer, every strike a song of defiance. We were the thunder before the rain, we were the river before the dam. And when they came with fire in their hands and lies in their mouths, we did not kneel, we became the storm. The spirit that cannot be conquered. Now only echoes remain, echoes of children, of warriors, of rivers that ran red and then silent. But the earth remembers, and the earth will rise again.